create a brand new company that aims to be the very best of its type in New Zealand and around the world, you need a name that captures who we are, what we stand for, and what we do. And when you have so many dedicated people who do so much every day, there's only one name that can capture our aspirations as a group. That name is Altus, a word given to us by the ancient Romans, and they knew a few things about creating structures that stand the test of time. Altus means high. We aim to be at the very pinnacle of our industry, leading the way through the highest levels of technical excellence and innovation, piloted by the most highly skilled teams of people. While Altus stands for height, it also stands for depth. We know that the only way to stand tall and strong is to have our feet planted firmly on the ground. At Altus, we believe in having deep relationships with our customers so we can understand their real business needs and stop at nothing to meet them. That depth provides strength, certainty, and reliability, because reliability means everything. Our business will be one that our customers can totally rely on by trusting in our people. And when it comes to our people, there's nothing we care more deeply about than their welfare. We believe the only way to reach the top is for everyone to start the day knowing they're highly valued and arrive home safely at the end of the day knowing they've made a difference to our customers. Our vision is to be so much more than an aluminium company. It's to be a best-in-class innovation company that delivers the smartest thinking and outstanding customer service. Together, we will reach that goal. Together, we'll aim high and dig deep. Together, we are Altus.